Bird, how are you doing today?
Good.
Good. What's going on here?
Already.
Yeah, what's going on here?
We're going skydiving.
Skydiving, have you done this before?
We have.
We have, very cool. Was this your idea to come back or did somebody talk you into it?
It was just for fun.
Just for fun, excellent.
It's my idea to hire you.
Oh, well, I appreciate you being here. Thank you very much. We've got about 10 more minutes. We're going out to the plane, going all the way up to 13,500 feet, jumping out, coming straight back down at more than 120 miles an hour. Are you excited, nervous, scared? How are you doing?
Let's go.
Awesome. Have a great jump. See you outside.
Walk it out.
And we're back. Bird, what'd you think about that?
Amazing.
All right, give me 1 second. I'll give you a hand up. Here we go. Come on up. There we are.
Thanks, sir.
Is that something you're gonna come back and do again?
Always.
That's what we wanted to hear. Thank you so much for choosing Skydive DeLand.
Appreciate it.
I'll see you next time.